Hi everyone! You're watching the Cook and Eat Show. I'm your host Nibble, and today we're going to look at what's in my fridge. Somehow, I had stuff to make pad thai noodles for the first time. I had some Chinese broccoli from my ventures to the local international market, a shallot, eggs, extra firm tofu, and rice noodles, specifically pad thai noodles. I was relying on a carefully selected recipe for this one. It'll be linked in the description. For the sauce, I had almost everything except oyster sauce, although Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and fish sauce made up for that. And I had frozen shrimp instead of the dried shrimp. Let's get cooking. I love discovering new vegetables, especially in my local international market. Chinese broccoli is one of those new vegetables. It's not that I just found out about it, but this leafy green came into my life from many food ventures to authentic and Americanized Chinese and Thai restaurants. At some point, I decided to buy it and hope to use it. If you like collards, kale, or Swiss chard, I highly recommend giving it a try. Unlike some leafy green stalks which don't really taste like anything, the stalks of Chinese broccoli taste just as good as the leaf. It also doesn't take long to become tender and still maintain a little crunch. Shallots are also a new addition to my usual ingredients. They're in the onion family, but they don't taste so oniony. This one had a little yuck on it, so let's just cut that part off and better. Where was I? Oh yes, the flavor. The flavor is much more subtle, and from my experience, shallots, like scallions, cook much faster than the purple, white, or yellow onions. In my wok, yes, I have a wok, highly recommend, get one. I started heating the ingredients for the pad thai sauce. Since I didn't have dried shrimp, I figured using frozen shrimp would work. Note to self, not the same at all. After cooking the ingredients for the pad thai sauce with the shrimp, I drained the liquid into a separate container for later and kept cooking the shrimp until it looked camera ready. Don't ask why, but I wanted shrimp and tofu. However, cooking tofu in my wok actually turned out not to work. I switched to a non-stick pan. Big difference. When it comes to the egg, after many other methods have failed me, I found that stirring the egg as it cooks on medium-high heat is the best way to scramble the eggs, specifically for stir fries and fried rice dishes. It avoids ending up with breakfast-style scrambled eggs or worse, pieces of an omelet. I added the greens to the wok last so it would take on the flavor of the other foods while it cooked. I had the rice noodles soaking in hot water for about 20 to 30 minutes while I prepared everything else. And once they're soft, you simply put it in the wok or your large pan of choice, add the pad thai sauce, and gradually stir in everything else. The end result was amazing. Seriously, this is the best thing I've cooked with my own two hands in a while. So good. The flavor was almost spot on to take out, and this turned out to be a lot of food with very little ingredients. I give it 5 stars. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep eating.